Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to automatically block out dates with Gravity Perks Inventory. Gravity Perks Inventory allows us to link a product field with a set amount of inventory to our date picker so that we can disable certain days once that product inventory reaches 0. This is perfect for, say, a concert venue that only has a certain amount of tickets that they can sell per day. It only takes a few steps to set this up, and I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, we need to make sure our Gravity Perk inventory is installed and activated. After that, we're going to head to our form. I'm going to pretend that this form is for buying tickets for a concert in the future. So the first thing we want to do is add a date picker, and I just called it concert date. Next, we want to go down and we want to add a product to this form. And I'm going to click the settings, and I'm just going to call this concert ticket. After that, I'm going to scroll down to perks, and we're going to use the advanced features of this inventory because we're going to link it to that date picker. So we can click advanced, and we can go down. The first thing we need to do is create a resource. So we'll click add. We can call this resource whatever we want. I'm going to say it's a concert ticket, and I'm going to give it an inventory of 50. Next, we need to add our scope, which in this case is our date picker. So we'll click add scope, and we'll give it a name. We'll say concert date. Next, we need to select our date picker from this new dropdown we have in our perks dropdown. So we can click this, and we should see concert date, or whatever you called it, right here in the dropdown. So we can click that, and then we can click save form. Now if we head back to our website and we fill out our form, any of the days that are available to select on our date picker, we can add a quantity of ticket, we can choose our day, and we can hit submit. And we can see here that we were able to submit this form. Let's head back to our website here and see what happens if I try to add a quantity that exceeds our inventory. Now you can see that we get errors saying that we have insufficient inventory to fulfill this request. And again, you can customize this message to sound a little more personal. Now again, this is just the tip of the iceberg of what you can do with your inventory. On the Gravity Wiz website, you can see that there are so many more options available and so many more features and things that you can customize when implementing this to your website. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this series where we went over new ways to perfect your Gravity Forms date picker. Stay tuned to the channel for more tips, tricks, and features where we'll go over more ways to level up your Gravity Forms. I'll see you next time.